What's up, YouTube? I'm going to be showing you today how to start a blog and set it up for nearly free. I hope that you gain a lot of knowledge from this and it helps you. Please check out my other videos on how to monetize your blog and to gain traffic on my channel. Please consider subscribing. Let's get right into it.
For a crib, now my room service bill cost your whole lot. If they try to stop me, I go all out military. I'm camoed all out like I'm in the military.
To set it up for nearly free, the first thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need a G Suite account through Google. Now this is very cheap. Not only are you going to get a blog and able to set up a blog through G Suite, but you're also going to get many other tools that come free with your subscription. This is only $5 a month, but with the link in the description and the promo code that's also listed in the description, you're going to get 20% off of your subscription for the first year. So the regular price is only $5 a month. With the promo code and the link in the description, you're going to bring that to around $3 a month. And guys, you're going to not only get the blog for $3 a month, like I said, but you're also going to get Google Docs, Google Drive, which is tons and tons of storage. You're going to get a business email, which you can use for your blog and for your visitors to reach you on your blog. You're going to get Google Calendar and so much more, along with Google Sheets, Google Forms, and like I said, Google Docs, which I use every day. And you'll be using the Google Docs a lot for your blog while doing and generating blog posts. Now this video is how to set up and start a blog for almost free. Check out my other videos on my channel for how to monetize and gain traffic to your blog. Those will be listed and on the channel too. So Google Blogger is great for starting a blog. Like I said, for nearly free. Since it's related and owned by Google, you're going to get the Google SEO, which is search engine optimization, which equals tons and tons of free traffic automatically with the Google Blogger. A lot of people start out with Google Blogger, gain traffic, gain following, and then move to a WordPress or to another blogging platform. But since those charge so much and it costs so much, you want to start making money and start enforcing an income before you go to there. You don't want to spend more money than you're making, so you want to start generating an income on Google Blogger and then move to another platform. You can enforce ads and bring in Google AdSense onto your Google Blogger account. You have the eligibility to make a custom domain, a custom URL with Google Blogger. You'll get a custom URL already, but you can make your own and purchase your own domain, which is registered through Google Domains for only $12 a year. Guys, you're going to get you're going to be hosted by Google. One of the top website providers in the world, so that's an awesome deal in itself. So what you're going to want to do is the link in the description is going to take you straight to step 1 of this process. Super simple process. They've made it very easy for you. If you click on the link in the description, be sure to save that video, this video, because it's also going to have a promo code in it to bring your price down from $5 a month to $3 a month for the first year. And the link in the description is going to bring you straight to this page. You're going to click Get Started. Once you click Get Started, it's going to bring you into here. You're just going to tell your business name. What I would use is whatever your blog title is going to be, the name of your blog. You'll put it here. And if you have other employees, which I doubt, if you're just starting out you do, no big deal, just click Just You. and press and click next. Once you click next, it's going to ask you a few more questions, not many. This takes maybe 3 minutes at the most. Once you do this, you're set up and you have a Google G Suite account. Once you have a G Suite account, you're going to go to Google Blogger, where you can just type in blogger.com. Once you type in blogger.com, you're going to need to create a Google profile, Google Plus profile. You just click Google Plus profile. You've already set up your G Suite account, so you'll use that one. Once you set that up, it's going to bring you into here, and you're going to just create a blog or sign in. You're going to sign in. If you just started your Google Plus, no big deal, super simple. We're 3 steps into it, and we're almost done. So you'll create your blog, and it's going to have you sign in. I've already started the blog for the sake of this video, to kind of show you how to lay out your blog. And with it being related to Google and being owned by Google, I had brought up earlier that you're going to have search engine optimization brought into the picture, which is a big deal for free traffic. If you don't know what that is, you're going to be indexed by Google and being brought into Google search engine. So when someone searches, let's say you have a travel blog, someone searches something about travel, you can be indexed. You can be brought to the first page depending on how you